Next topic is display of general ledger accounts. Paths accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, then FB03 display. So here no need of mentioning the document number, directly give you a company code, then fiscal year, that is 2024. After that, click on the document list. So here document type is SA. SA is the predefined code for general ledger accounts. Posting date is 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025. Fiscal year is 2024. After that, click on execute button. That is on the top left side, there will be an execute button. Click on that. Now we can see all the 7 documents that we have posted here. And if we click on the particular document, we can see the journal entry in that document.